I'm just going to do a walk around and then go inside. I've got the porch light on there and the awning light. We've got a solar adapter here. You can plug in a solar panel and put a trickle charge on the batteries. We've got a gas adapter here, which will outfit a external stove. We have a stove that comes with it that we've used just a couple times, lightly used, and it goes on this bar right here along with the table. The hot water heater, it's gas or electric. Leave that. This is your cable or satellite connector, depending upon if a campground offers it for you. An electrical outlet here. This is an exhaust for the refrigerator. This would be your mounting plate for the TV if you bring it outside. This is an external bin here. I'll go back here. Refrigerator, there's that grill in there and the table that goes along and fits up on that bar there. We've redone the speakers on the camper, both inside and outside, that have really nice sound to them. For the stereo system, I'm gonna put the awning out here. We've had some rain, so it's a little wet still. Bring that out and walk you out here. You can see, get a nice look at that with it extended. I've got the beds out at the moment. It's a full-size tire, spare tire. There's a storage. You have your outdoor shower here. Down here you got your black and gray clean out. Power, this is where you would connect to the campground satellite or cable TV. This would be your black water flush out. There's a slide. It has a awning over the slide, which is nice. You don't have to clean off the top of your slide before you put it away. Nice feature. You have the exhaust for over the stove and a nice big window. This is another storage compartment here. I generally keep the hitch and tools in there. The hitch isn't currently included in the price, but we can work out a deal for that if you're interested in a hitch. Didn't know if everybody would want a hitch, so I didn't include it. Freshwater clean out is underneath there. Here you'll have your freshwater tank. If you're going to be boondocking and you want to carry water, you would want to put it there. You've got your city water connection there. Here are the specifications for weight and tire info. And oh, and down here I forgot, this is the antifreeze port for winterizing. Here's the other bunk. Under there we got 2 batteries. Got a light in case you're hooking up at day or night. It's outrigged, like I said, with an anti-sway hitch right now. That's on there and it can be taken off for you unless you want it. And then we've got 2 full-size LP tanks there. You got an electric hitch. And it also has a light that's helpful when hitching. and the chains and all there. So I think I've covered everything along the outside. I'll give you a long look here. Long walk